Ever wondered what's actually behind those beautiful Tableau dashboards and reports? Let's dive into the source code of a Tableau project. But first, a quick reality check. Tableau projects aren't built on traditional lines of code, like you might see in Python or Java. Think of it as a different kind of architecture instead. They're built on a fascinating foundation. The heart of a Tableau project is essentially a collection of metadata. A Tableau project is packaged in one of two primary file formats, TWB or twbx. The TWB file is a workbook file. The twbx file is also a workbook, but it's a packaged workbook. Think of it like this: the TWB is a text file that can be opened in any basic text editor. The twbx is an archive, like a zip file, containing various things. Both, though, hold the key to the project's inner workings. Inside these files, the real magic happens. They're XML-based, which makes them machine readable. This XML structure defines everything about your dashboard: the visualizations, your data connections to databases and spreadsheets, the calculations used, and even the formatting. It's a blueprint, or the definition of what will be visible. Imagine each visualization as a set of instructions. One XML section states the chart type, another will tell the chart how the bars are sized, colored, and positioned. Yet another section details what data fields are to be used within each chart and how they're pulled from databases. This metadata structure makes Tableau incredibly flexible and customizable, because instead of writing code, creating dashboards is all about configuring and arranging these XML instructions. Understanding this source code structure will allow you to see how customizations were achieved. So, while you won't see lines of code in the conventional sense, understanding a Tableau project's file structure empowers you to see how everything is made. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding of Tableau's inner workings.